Look no further than the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Tahoe is the full-size SUV that ticks all the boxes. Safe, stylish, comfortable, loaded with technology, powerful, and ready to handle any challenge, it inspires confidence at every turn. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, trip computer, power windows. Why not drive the premium vehicle you want that has the hard-working capabilities you need? Get behind the wheel of the Tahoe.